Hello, this is Johnny Babette, 661 John FK page again. I want to do more video blogs and posts, but this damn work schedule, man, by the time I get off work and I want to do a video blog, I'm too fucking wiped out. And it wouldn't come out right at it. Maybe I should post them like that. I don't know. Be real about the situation. Present myself in real life, not be fake. Well, just post it like it is. Don't worry about how tired you are. Just go ahead and post and be done with it. Well, anyway. Anyway, slight problem at work. Just problems at work. Problems are just minor difficulties or whatever you want to call them. I swear the customers around here are fucking stupid as shit. I mean, I'm sorry putting it on that basis, but it seems like there's a contingent in this country. I mean, it's like, I don't know what the fuck their problem is, but they can't tell the difference between a coin slot and a dollar slot, and a card reader slot, and a card machine to pay their bill at the checkout. The checkout. Anyway, I got jumped into for trying to explain myself. You know, I asked him, what's the matter with these people? He said, something you're not used to this. I'm like, this self-checkout shit has been out for years. And they keep leaving their glasses at home saying they can't read. And they leave their reading glasses at home when they come to the depot. I'm like, excuse me, I never take off my glasses. Never. I take them off when I go to bed. When I get up, they turn right on my face. As soon as I get up. Saying I can't read the register, but they can read that money real quick. And read other stuff out in the street real fucking quick. But they can't read a cash register or self-checkout. Something funny with that. And the numbers are big. The numbers and buttons are big as life. And another way of doing it, they're going to do cashiering outside Gardens at where I work at. They got a booth where the cash register is, and they got another cash register machine off to the opposite side of the aisleway. That's fucked up. That hasn't worked in a while. Dumbasses, they can't get that shit going. Need real tech to keep the cash registers open or going. And then you got this other piece of shit with a cart stick out in the middle of the Gardens. Idiots. Here's a new way they're going to do it. You have two people out there at the credit card machines scanning stuff in for people. But if they say they have to pay cash, you have to go into the booth, put your name in, do the transaction, then sign back off, and go back outside, take care of the line outside at the card machine. There are going to be two people out there handling on the same register. That's really gonna lead up to some shit. I can cause somebody to get that's really gonna get somebody fucked up. Two people on one register handling cash, that's gonna create a problem. That can get somebody short, or get somebody fired, or get somebody create a problem. Two people on the register at the same time, signing in and out of the register. On and off, on and off, on and off. Instead of staying there and running the register, because it takes card and cash at the same time. The other two out in the aisleway only take card. Well, anyway, that's going to lead to a major problem. Cause a cash shortage, and I don't know. Just go ahead and do it. When shit hits the fan, hits the fan. And nobody else but blame themselves. Nobody else to blame but themselves. But anyway, let me get the fuck out. Get over here and get in the fucking shower. No, not yet. Yeah, I gotta get in the shower. But anyway, have a good one. Two wheels down, shiny side up. Fuck the world.